मैम आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही।
Now, am I audible? Hello, am I audible? Chapter 3, Ruling the Countryside. Observe this title, The Ruling Countryside. In last chapter, you learned about how the British were ruled in cities, in territories. But in this chapter, you will learn about how the Britishers were ruled in villages. Okay? Countryside in villages. In this picture, the Robert Clive accepting the Diwani of Bengal Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha. Fine. That day they celebrated as a great event because why they don't want to leave this event taken for granted because the Diwani will make make profit for them. In 12 August 1765, Mughal Emperor appointed East India Company as a Bengal of Diwani. Everyone please underline the date on 12th August 1765. The actual event most probably took place in Robert Clive tent. And for this, he hired one person who paint this event and on his canvas. So he invite the painter. The painter was commissioned by Clive. Write down the meaning of commission, everyone. Officially approve of act. Majestic means, write down everyone, the meaning of majestic. Luxury. Aristocratic or luxury. Write down number 1 over on the word majestic and write down the meaning of here. Write down meaning of majestic here. You have a space in your book on the left side. So you please write down the meaning of majestic over here. The commission, official approval of it. So the person is hired by the Clive to paint that event on his canvas. Because the Clive wanted to record this memorable event of his life. That is why he hired the painter. Because the Grand of Diwani clearly one such event in the British imagination. The Grand of Diwani, the thing which made the Britishers strong, give the lots of profit to the Britishers. The Diwani, the event which was very important for Britishers. As Diwani became company chief financial administrator. What is the meaning of Diwani? That company became the chief financial administrator of the territory. Underline everyone. What is the meaning of Diwani? Now they have got it the right to collect the revenue from the Bihar and Bengal and Odisha, the three villages. Underline. What is the meaning of Diwani? That they became the chief financial administrator of the territory. Diwani means collection of revenue. Collect the revenue right. Now it had to be think the administrating the land and organizing the revenue resources. This had to be done the way they could yield enough. What is the meaning of yield? Yield means, write down everyone, profit which get after long time. Profit which get after long time. Like agriculture depend on their yield. When they harvest their crop, they get the money. So it is the meaning of yield, that profit which they get after long time. So Diwani give the revenue, the enough revenue which help to fulfill their expenses of the company. The expensive, the things they bought from the Indian traders. Earlier time, the company for bought all these things from the Indian trader. They importing the silver and gold from the Britain and give to them for purchase that cotton and silk from Indian trader. But when they got the right of Diwani from them, okay, so they no need to give their gold and silver to Indian trader. They purchase the cotton and silk and other precious thing in form of money, the form of money which the money they collected from revenue. Okay, I will show you through cycle like this. Okay, like first the company गेट दीवानी, यहाँ दीवानी मिल गई उसको, ठीक है। अब दीवानी से क्या होगा, यहाँ पर he purchased the thing, from this money, okay, the revenue say purchase the things from revenue, okay, and the revenue come from whom they purchase, from Indian traders. So in this way they continue the cycle. Diwani say they purchase the things, which Diwani they got from the these three villages. From these Diwani, this money, this revenue, they purchase the thing from the Indian traders. In this way, the Diwani became the beneficial for them. Now the next one is, over the time the company also learned, had to be moved in some question. What does this mean? That they knew very well that it came from the Britishers. Bihar, Bengal and Odisha. So where is Bihar? The east side of Uttar Pradesh. Bengal, here is Bengal and Odisha. Just below the West Bengal, there is Odisha. Okay. So the company decided to find out the way in the way they collecting the revenue. Revenue for the company. The company, it became the Diwan, but it saw itself primarily as a trader. They saw themselves as a trader. Because they wanted to large amount of revenue from all these privileges, which help them to bought the things from the India, and in this way they get more and more profit. They bought the things, they purchase the thing in a cheap rate, and they sold in their wish price. Okay, now Anshika, please read the chapter from revenue for the company. Before this, please give me the answer of few words which we have already discussed. The first word is majestic. Please raise your hand and give me the meaning of majestic. Majestic meaning, yes, Varuni.
Ma'am, luxury.
Yes, next one is commission. Please, my
Can I
humble
tell,
request to all of you, turn on your camera. Commission.
Can I tell, ma'am?
No. Thank you, Varuni. Prabsifat, what is the meaning of commission? Anshika Agarwal.
Ma'am, the profit which get after long time.
No. The profit which we get after time, that the meaning yield. The answer, the word is yield. The answer is, anyone else? Pavitra? Yes, Raghav?
Ma'am, money which we get after selling something.
Official approval to act. The Robert Clive commissioned the painter, hired the painter. Okay. Now the next word is eliminated. Eliminated. Means to remove somebody. Write down, everyone. To remove somebody. Okay. Now, next is, the company had became the Nawab. Yes, who is reading? Okay, Anshika. Read the chapter.
The company had become the Diwan, but it still saw itself primarily as a creditor. It wanted a large revenue income, but was unwilling to set up any regular system of assessment and
What is the
collection.
meaning of assessment? Evaluate. So they wanted to that kind of system which gave the revenue on regular basis. Continue.
The effort was to increase the revenue as much as it could and buy fine cotton and silk cloth as cheaply as possible. Within 5 years, the value of goods brought by the company in Bengal doubled. Before 1865, the company had purchased goods in India, imported gold and silver from Britain. Now, the revenue collected in Bengal could financially the purchase of goods for export. Soon it was clear that
Thank
the
you.
Bengal.
Thank you, Anshika. Yes. So when they got the Diwani, the quantity of purchasing in Bengal village क्या हो गई? Within a year it was double. ठीक है? Because उनको अपना there were no need to invest their money, which revenue they collected, same that revenue they invest on purchasing things. Now the soon it was clear that Bengal economy was facing deep crisis. As I told you, they purchased the things in a way, in very cheap rate. So what the अभी वो 4-5 साल नजर नहीं आता, but after some time वो एक clearly नजर आ रहा था कि बंगाल में crisis start हो गया है. The artisan peasants leave their places. उन्होंने काम करना छोड़ दिया. They settle down in cities. They drop their ancestor profession. बुनकर थे, उन्होंने बुनना छोड़ दिया क्योंकि no one get profit except Britishers. जब उनको कुछ मिल ही नहीं रहा था, then why they were involved in same activity? So the crisis are the Bengal start facing the crisis. पहला crisis क्या था? The artisan were deserting. What is the meaning of deserting here? To leave the villages. They started to leaving the villages. Since they were being to force their sale goods to the company at low rate, because the company pressurized them, the company forcefully pressurized them to sell their goods at very low price, जिससे कि उनको they not able to survive on that money. उनको कोई profit तो मिल नहीं रहा था. Then next the peasants were also leave the places. They dropped their agriculture activity because they were the peasants were unable to pay the dues. They were not able to pay the revenue. तो उन्होंने कहा हमें जब दे ही नहीं पा रहे थे, why do we people involved in this activity? मेहनत भी कर रहे हैं but nothing we people get. तो उन्होंने वो छोड़ दिया. और उसके बाद क्या हुआ? What happened? The natural disaster that the artisan production was declined. Agriculture cultivation shows sign of collapse. What is the meaning of collapse? To fell down. Write down everyone. To fell down. Collapse means to fell down. Then the 1770, a terrible famine killed 10 million people, means 1 crore people were killed in that terrible famine in Bengal. About 1/3 of the population wiped out. Clean हो गई, vanish हो गई, wiped out, vanish हो गई. So that kind of crises were occurred in the Bengal. The Bengal were facing that kind of crisis, right? The artisan were leave their profession, artisan drop their agriculture activity, and the 1770 famine killed many people, which not the good for the Bengal. But all these things happen in Bengal. जब ये सब चीजें हो रही थी तो ब्रिटिशर्स को तब समझ आया कि जब कोई है ही नहीं तो who will pay the revenue to us? जब यहाँ पर आर्टिशन नहीं है, पीजेंट्स नहीं है, पीपल मर रहे हैं, तो हमें पे देने वाला, रेवेन्यू देने वाला है ही नहीं कोई, तो फ्रॉम वेयर वी गेट द रेवेन्यू? Then they started to thinking about the planning for new kind of method. So that the first method introduced by Charles Cornwallis in 1793 was permanent settlement. Okay, so now tell me the first meaning, that assessment. What is the meaning of assessment? Raise your hand. What is the meaning of assessment? Yes, Imad.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, wait.
Yes, ma'am.